All right, good morning. It's Tuesday morning. We're just taking a look here at that hourly chart. As you can see, we're in this rising channel. We broke out yesterday, came up, kind of retested in the pre-market. We have sold off pretty majorly. I think we have some news today, so that is something to be considerate of. That is something to watch out for. Certainly. I'm gonna pull that up and see if I can't figure out what exactly that is. So today is Tuesday. Okay, so at 10 a.m. Eastern we have job openings. It's good to know, as that will most likely have a little sway. Give me 1 second and I will start looking at some levels here. All right, so what do we have? We have this whole area in here. That's pretty big, but we have this whole area that's acting as support. It's like this. The inverse head and shoulder is pretty much the shoulder tops here, right here, right here. Today, or excuse me, yesterday, we found the bottom of the day in that area. We're currently underneath it, or right near the bottom of it, so something to watch. We have this huge trend line from a longer frame right here, which we're not far off of. So if we do fail to hold this zone in here, I would not be surprised at all to see us come down and test this level, which isn't too much further below us here. That would be my expectation if we fail to get back above pretty much 425, is that we come down and test this trend line. If we break this trend line, we are in a serious downtrend. As you can see that we'll back it up to the week. We'll take a look here. We've been hanging on to this trend line, so if we break that, we could see us coming down into 412, 4 in here somewhere, maybe 418-ish. If we break there, that should be a big drop that we're watching there. So something to consider. I would even look at like here, somewhere in there. Somewhere in that range, around 420, nice, to 417 or so. I got some massive glare in my window, so I'm going to get that out. I'm gonna go adjust my blinds here. Give me 1 second. I love the sunshine coming through in the morning, but I don't love my screen getting absolutely blasted to where I can't see jack. All right. We're gonna hop into like a 15-minute here. We're gonna take a little look-ski. Actually, I really just like that zone that we have there. That 425 is kind of the upper range of that zone. We have this trend line. Where would we potentially stop? You could find the low of that recent bounce, somewhere in here. Somewhere between like 422.3 and 422.5 maybe. Include that. Watch out for that area in case we start to slip under that trend line. That's pretty much all I'm looking for. If we rally to the upside, if we hold 425, I think 426 is in play. If we hold 426, then I could very easily see us coming up around that pre-market area, somewhere up in here. And then I'll mark the high of the pre-market as well. I do have that low of day here. We get the high of day as well. I know this kind of looks like a mess. Main things to watch are these huge levels here, hold numbers. This zone here that has held for numerous days. If we fail to break below that, another huge thing to watch is this trend line. If that breaks, we're looking at this most recent swing low. If that breaks, we're looking down here towards like 420. To the upside, like I said, if we can capture 425, I could see 426. If we break 426, I could potentially see these pre-market levels getting taken out there. That's the game plan. Let's lock it in. Yeah, so that's not much of a move down to the trend line. So if we break down here, I probably won't look to short anything on like a 50-cent move to that trend line. What I would be curious to see is a bounce from this trend line. So if we get something like this, that's certainly something that you want to capture. So if we come down and we hold this trend line, probably taking 425 calls if we can come down and test and hold. And look for that move up to 425, potentially like 426 if we get a really good rally off that bottom. If we break that trend line though, we will absolutely be looking for moves to the downside, because that would be a huge break on a much higher time frame. So feel pretty good about that. Just watch these key levels, watch volume, watch price action, and see if we can't make out like a bandit. That's it. Now I just chill. I'm gonna pull up some SPY not SPT, SPY. And we'll take a look at, we're trading same day expiration because we're dirty like that. I didn't used to, but I've changed. Throw up a 426 call just for now. Market opens in about 30 seconds. All right. Holding above 425 off this open. So we'll probably shoot up towards 426.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ray. How you doing, buddy?
Good, man. It's freezing over here.
Damn. Or you're on the West Coast. Are you California, Washington, Oregon?
Yeah,
Somewhere around?
California.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I know it doesn't get that cold over here, but cold for me, man.
Nah, what? It's probably like in the 60s, huh? That's pretty cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll do it. I'm out in Colorado and it's starting to get down there. It feels pretty cold.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Or you're on the West Coast. Are you California, Washington, Oregon?
Yeah, California. Oh shit, I gotta mute your shit.
Yeah. So I heard that and I was like, who the fuck is that?
You can hear that?
Yeah, that's so funny. It took me I didn't even recognize my own voice at first. I thought you had somebody else with you. I was like, what?
No, I thought you said it again, man. I was like, what's going on?
You got anything particular you're looking at today?
Nah, man. no real game plan. There were some internet issues over here yesterday, so I couldn't really do what I wanted to do, man. I'm still at my mom's.
Gotcha.
Um, so I'm kind of, I mean, I have everything, you know, my levels are still valid, so I'm just going to play off that.
Yeah. Yeah, we almost came down and tested that long-term trend line on SPY. Not quite, though.
Oh, the weekly one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what that line was. It's like, where am I getting this line from?
Yeah, that's...
Yeah, wow, okay.
I'm waiting to see if we get down there, because either way, if we break it or if we hold it, that should be a pretty big move coming out of that.
Yeah. Quick little, not quick, but it'll be like $1 move to the upside, I think. A nice little bounce.
For sure. I mean, last time we got down to it, we had like, that was the low of the day, and we rallied
All
like,
the way up, huh?
yeah, over $2 off of it.
So that's that line kind of, or that trend line from that weekly. It's around 423. Okay.
Or should I lie? I said we rallied $2. We rallied like
More?
$4 off of it, 4.5.
Oh.
If you look back on what was that, September 27th?
Yeah.
We went from like 423 to like 427 in the last like hour of the day.
For a while, I think we retraced somehow back down to 412. Like eventually, that's where I think we're going down to.
Yeah, yeah. If we break that trend line, I think we're on our way.
Yeah, that's a pivotal point right there. 418. I see a 417, like that area.
Yeah. I got like that 418, 417 area marked.
Even 420 flat. That's the next.
420 is a good one.
Yeah, 420, 72, 77. Yeah.
Yeah, that low from that most previous like swing low, around like 422 area, 422.5 ish.
Oh wow, we already retested that. Never mind. Okay.
Yeah, I got a lot more plays if we go the downside today.
Yeah.
If we rally up, I pretty much want to see a break above 426, and then I'd target some like pre-market levels. But
in the pre-market on the hourly, it got rejected off of my daily SMA, like perfectly.
is that the top, like right around like 428.5? Nice.
Yeah, pre-market high.
Yeah. I also have like a 427.6 level from the pre-market. If you look, it's just like that like flat top essentially where we just like held for a long time, finally got above it.
That's like aftermarket hours, right? Like yesterday.
Yeah, a little aftermarket and then a little bit of pre-market this morning. Like when we rejected off that pre-market high, we held that level for I don't know, like an hour.
Got you.
That's pretty much just like a target to the upside. If we look strong above like 426, I would look for a move up there, but we'll see. Try to be more patient, you know. Find those bigger levels and just try to get in between
them.
them.
Pull the trigger, man. When those things are activated, pull the trigger. Like you did yesterday. That was beautiful.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Felt good, huh? No kind of complications in there. Just took it.
No, yeah, I just went straight down. I love that. I hate when you're in a trade and it starts getting all choppy and then you're like dancing around your stop loss and you know what I mean? Takes like 30 minutes to play out and you're like, all right. But when you when you get a straight move, like you get in at the top and it just falls, oh my god, there's nothing better.
Buttery smooth. Did you guys get in the call yesterday at all or no?
You mean like at the end of the day?
Yeah, like in the evening.
I did not. Usually evenings I'm not super available. So I don't know if other people did. I didn't.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like to continue to chart in the evening. Maybe I can scratch out like a half an hour or so, hop on in the evenings.
Yeah, something quick. Yeah, something real quick, real brief.
Usually that's just like the evening is like once I got all my shit done and then I'm just kind of kicking it.
Oh yeah, man. Absolutely. Let's see what we got going on. Everything seems to wanting to kind of make a move to the upside, but it's just not happening.
Yeah, it's looking. Oh, sorry. Go on.
Apple dancing. No, I was just gonna say because Apple's dancing in my zone, 173. Like
Hmm.
just it's there, but it's just not gonna do it.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, I don't know.
The scalper in me is looking at SPY hold that 425. You could definitely scalp a move up to 426. I feel pretty good about that, but I'm not going to take it.
Oh, that 425, yeah, like pretty much
425.
426.
Yeah, just a dollar move. It wouldn't be bad, but
There
we'll
is
wait.
a bull flag forming on the 5 minute. Oh, it's above the 21. It's holding the 21. It's not above the VWAP yet, so I think above the VWAP we can probably take that.
Yeah,
Um,
I'm reserving any bullish judgment unless we get above 426. Really.
yeah. Or that 426 could be that rejection point,
It's
like
true.
exactly there. That's an important level there.
Yeah, it's true. Basically, yeah, I'm just waiting to see what we do around there, or if we get up there.
Yeah. But if we get above 426, I'm taking that up to 427.
Yeah, no, I feel strong about that.
Yeah.
It's pretty much my
Especially
game
with
plan.
that's
Gills in the live.
on point. That's on point with me, man. I'm down for that. Above 426, man. Hold there. Um, ride that call up to 427. Because I don't see anything stopping it, you know?
Yeah.
It's looking strong right about now.
Yeah, I was thinking about playing that little bounce up to 426, but we'll hold off on that.
Yeah, that's like a shorter move, huh?
Yeah, I
Need
mean,
to be.
could be like a little dollar move. You same day expiration, get a nice like 20, 30 out of that, 20, 30%. But
Yeah.
we'll see, we'll see. I was just realizing, I mean, it sounds ridiculous to say, I was just realizing it. But man, if you're consistent with same day expirations, holy shit.
Yeah.
The percentages on those are crazy, man. If you get a good move, like I used to trade one day out, and a good move would be like 20 to 30%. Now it's like I get a move and it's like 50, 40, 50%. You know, it's like double.
Yeah.
Obviously a
Yeah,
little bit
they
more dangerous, but
but I mean, if you think about it, your next day expiration um costs a little more, so that's really where your risk is.
it's true.
Um, you know what I mean? Like you're paying more, or the premium is higher, so and then like same day usually is a little cheaper.
For sure.
So if you think about it going to zero, you know what I mean? You're not really risking as much as you would be the next day. But
For
that same day buffer is like good, you know?
yeah. Yeah, I just like to look at like the percentage base, especially when thinking about like eventually scaling up. Like man, if I got 50% on like $70, imagine if it was like 700, you know? That's a nice little chunk.
Let me see.
We do have that job openings coming out at what 7 your time, 8 my time. So the morning might be a little slow until we get that. That's the only news that I have though
Oh,
for
what is
today.
it?
Job openings for August, I think, either August or September.
Yeah, that'll have a little effect on the markets. Just a little bit though.
I mean, shit. After yesterday, that I don't even know what it was, PMC or whatever.
Oh,
That just
yeah.
we had like a massive candle off of that. Poor
There was big candles yesterday.
yeah. Poor Josh
Definitely.
was like, I'm getting in puts, and then the news releases, and it
Oh,
just
man.
fucking blasted the other direction.
Oh, I was talking to him later that day, like that session that during the market hours it was still open, man, and he wrote that down. I was like,
Wow.
fuck, that's rough, man. He was like, yeah, it was stressful. It was definitely stressful. But he was able to come out of that like green, so that's good, you know.
That's wild.
Yeah, that was like the Shopify play I took one time. Gosh, bro, that, oh, God. Just dreading it. Got in, slowed down, just consolidated almost for like an hour, and then finally made the move. Just sitting there watching it consolidate. It's crazy. Never trading this underlying again.
That's when you start drawing like trend lines and stuff just to pass the time. You're like trying to figure out,
Yeah,
like, did I
bro.
miss something?
Start changing colors, you know what I mean? Like,
Like I had to miss
this looks
something.
better. Yeah, bro. I kind of like that we're not aggressive off the open. Um, gives it time for things to set up. You know, when things kind of move off the open, it kind of tempts you.
Yeah. When you get aggressive swings, you're like, oh shit, the FOMO hits you. I got a little downward trend line forming off the past, I guess, like 2-3 days. If you look at like the high of 2 days ago, and you just draw that through like yesterday's pre-market through today's pre-market, we got like on the hourly or like 4 hour, we got a little resistance, like downward trend line.
Let me see. You have it on your screen right now?
Yeah. I'm just looking at it on the hourly here.
Let me see. Show me. I'm looking at your stream right now.
Right up in here. It might be a second delayed.
Yeah. You got like a little delay on that. Wait. Why? Oh, wait.
On the 4 hour, it's pretty clear. Oh shit, I zoomed in hella far.
It's showing me you're like hovering over your options chain.
Really? It should be the upper right screen is what I'm looking at. How delayed is that?
No, I don't know. It's weird. Are you talking about from the high of like 2 days ago?
Yeah, coming down. And it kind of matches up with that pre-market level I have too.
That's valid. I see that. Getting that push here.
Yeah. Looking pretty strong.
Yeah, breaks that trend line, right? Definitely bullish move there.
I was thinking if we break above 426, it just kind of validates that pre-market level as a place to take profits. Try not to hold up into that resistance. Oh, we got Josh in here. What's up?
What's up,
Which
guys?
one? The real one or the fake one? Which one?
Yo, I've been noticing we getting some interesting accounts in here. We got the Fuli
See
Buki.
that?
What's that all about?
Yeah, bro, that's weird. I don't know what's going on.
There's like 2 rays. I don't know how I feel about that. He's got the same profile picture and everything.
It's weird, right?
Might have to, I don't know, we might have to make this not like open for anybody and just invite people who want it.
Some real human beings, huh? Not some robots.
I don't know, man. Just stuff like that. Unless Fuli knows him. But like,
I promise you, doesn't. I don't know that Ray, dude. Like all of us, and they just made their accounts.
yeah,
We're getting hacked.
might have to boot him. Dude, when I was making this channel, there was a bunch of stuff about like, I don't like plugins and stuff for Discord to help avoid like bots and people taking over your channels. And I was like,
I didn't have the channel, man. It's the people that make the channel. For
sure. I just didn't want it to like get overrun by some bullshit. I didn't think it would matter with like a small channel, but
bots are everywhere, man. They're taking over.
Hey, Ray, you remember that gap that you had me set up yesterday? Remember that you told me like to extend all the way to the right and left?
I'm sorry, you talking to me or Ryan?
Oh, right. Yeah, you. Remember that gap? Remember that that zone that you had me?
Zone?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about it?
It's right in the middle of that zone right now. It's been like that all morning. It came up in it and it touched off of the top of it.
Yeah. The plan right now, Josh, is I don't know if you heard, but we're waiting for this to clear like 425.87, 426. Probably ride that up to 427 again. I don't know, man, because news is coming out. I feel like that play. I don't know, man.
What news is coming out?
Job openings?
Yeah. I posted that in the announcements for you, Josh. I'm gonna try to make sure you don't miss another one.
Dude.
Yeah, good looking on that.
I mean,
10 a.m. Yeah.
I've been a victim of it, where you're in a position and you didn't realize there's some data coming out, and it comes out and just blasts you. This happened. So I I always try to look at it before I trade anything, just so I'm like, all right, I don't want to be in a trade around 10.
You think? I wonder if we'll be sitting sideways for the next 10 minutes or so.
Possibility.
There's a good chance of that.
Yep. I'm gonna play some Trader TV. Let me know if it's loud or if it's too loud.
All right.
See if you guys can hear it or if it's helpful.
McCormick is a business that's very competitively advantaged.
Does it sound like?
That's all. I hear it.
Is it loud? Is it distorted?
It's not distorted. It's like kind of, I don't know, maybe like half of your voice volume, somewhere in there.
Yeah, I don't want it too loud. I don't want it blaring.
For value offerings at this particular time in the economic cycle.
Looking strong, man. Looks like it wants to break above 425.
There's also, I'm not trying to throw us off here, but QQQ does have that daily gap. Oh shit, did we get it? Where are we? Oh no, we're not quite there yet. It's
spiked over, Ryan. We might get in here soon, brother.
Alright, I'm gonna pull that up. Alright, yeah, I might. Yeah, I want to see it hold that level before I do anything. Good call out though. Yeah, I was looking at QQQ.
Did it fill that gap on QQQ or no?
No, we're still like $2 below where the gap is. So.
But it's going. It's going though. I'm gonna hop in.
Gotta wait for that retest, man.
You wanna wait for it?
Yeah, I want to see it hold this level.
I'm on a 2 minute here, so I'll let you know what's happening shorter. I love this. Oh, it's getting rejected off the 200 EMA on the 2 minute. That's why. But that's good though. Get us that retest. Or if it even holds above the 200 EMA on the 2 minute, I'll be okay.
Are you taking a position?
For me?
Yeah.
I'm waiting for this candle close.
Why do you do 200, Ray?
Just throw it on there and look at it. You'll see.
Yeah, I mean, I do see it. I mean, that's like the 200 EMA right now is right on that trend line that I set up. I think it was last night. I set it up at 426.75, and the EMA is at 426.74 right now. Numbers don't lie, my guys. Numbers don't lie.
I see a spike in volume here to upside. I'm taking it.
I mean, Tesla and Apple are spiking. So is QQQ and.
Fuck, I didn't get a feel.
Amazon. Amazon is too.
Benefits the retailer.
Google spiking. Everything
Alright,
is,
I'm in.
is
I'm
You wanna call
in.
in?
Damn, I might have missed a good entry. I didn't get in yet. I'll see if we get a little better entry for me.
Yeah, my stop is underneath 426, so I don't care how far that shit goes down. If it's above 426, I'm holding this.
Costs doesn't mean which to fuel additional.
You threw a call in?
Yeah, yeah. I should have took it off the bull flag break, but that 426 level I was kind of worried about.
You doing in the money or out of the money?
I do in the money. I do. I got 426 calls.
Rise. So we think that Kraft Heinz looks particularly
Man, it's up to 427.30.
Staples through the end of the year.
Let's hope it does it in like less than 8 minutes.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
I'm gonna pause this just in case. Ryan, it's kind of pulling back, man. I don't know, your entry might
I'm
be
gonna get one entry here. But what's the? Oh, my bad. I don't know what I was about to ask. I slipped up.
Look at this. This is the pullback you want right here, Josh. If you didn't get in
Yeah,
yet.
I got it. I got a 426 put in. Price drop for me, so I got in. Perfect timing.
You have 426 put?
No, I'm sorry, call.
It's a lot of volume on that candle though.
I mean, we came in at a gap down, right?
No, I think it's like a very tiny gap down.
Yeah, a little bit of a gap down for sure.
Yeah, because I think we closed at 427.4.
I'd like to see us push up and fill that right now. That'd be sweet. Wouldn't be mad about that at all. It'd be a nice move. But yeah, I feel you, man, with that. I hate when you get a setup right when data's about to come out. It's like you want to take the setup, but you're like, this is about to get just invalidated by some news that drops. Bro, that pullback was a blessing. I got a beautiful fill on that.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. Josh was like, I'm getting in.
Did you guys get in, or are you guys waiting?
No, I got in. I got in when we came down and retested 426.
Yeah.
That was the best entry possible. I got like a little bit like above that somewhere.
I mean, everything's up right now, man. Like Tesla, Google.
That's why SPY is up. 'Cause, I mean, shit, that shit's following suit.
I mean, Meta's up. I mean, yeah, dude. I mean, literally every QQQ.
Yeah, Apple's testing that
Apple.
zone. Yeah, I got in a fill price of 150.
I was looking at a different contract. I was like, what? That makes sense though.
You got a 426 calling for 150?
Yeah, I got 5 of
Yeah,
them.
same. You got 5 of them.
Do you ever take out of the money?
Say again?
Do you ever take out of the money? Like I take 427 because that's my target.
Oh yeah, sometimes. But just because I want this whole move.
Got you.
Got it in there. Or at the money. Yeah, that's what I usually play. I usually play like 2 to 5 contracts, depending on the move.
I think we're just on hold until we get that news. Unfortunately, I don't know if we'll get a big move before that.
Yeah, I don't like that. This is just kind of like teetering here.
Yeah, it's just that data coming out. I'm sure of it. People are just waiting before they make a decision. So hopefully it's bullish.
Like a bull flag forming here on the 5-minute. I hope it holds this. Holds this, and then this red candle here is like low volume.
Super low.
Yeah, so state job openings and labor data turnover scheduled for this is for August. It's set to be released. So in 4 minutes. I would love for a government website to not be like super malfunctioning because of the code. That'd be really nice.
Yeah, a lot of
Little
those are.
organization.
Yeah, I like that this can doesn't have a lot of volume. It's moving, but it's not like a high volume move.
I'm telling you, it's just waiting for this next 5-minute candle to print with the data. That's how I move it for sure.
What's the
What I'm curious about is, oh, everything's coming back down.
A little volume there, pushing that back up,
Yeah,
like that.
strong little push up.
Are we all sitting in calls right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I mean, even this little pullback would have provided a decent entry.
Yeah. Gil would have been like trend line, trend line, trend line, trend line. That guy loves his trend lines.
Q4s are typically bullish though, from the things that I've picked up here and there. So I'm curious if what comes out today is going to be good news.
In 2 minutes, that's a nice little hammer candle.
Yeah, or form a little hammer on the 5.
No, I don't know. I don't like this. There's like it's almost like 2 little dojis there on the 2 minute. It's not looking too good.
About to explode here in a minute.
Literally, it's either gonna tang or explode.
You got a stop loss in?
No, just a mental one.
I'm gonna have my sell off ready, just in case.
Oh yeah.
Because if I see this go back down into that support zone, I'm out.
Why couldn't we just get to 427 news, come out, and then it just...
Oh, there's a big spike down. Let's see if it rallies. Oh my god. Holy shit. Are you guys holding this?
Yeah, I'm good. I got like a big risk appetite today.
Holy shit. Oh no.
What was the news then?
I don't know.
Should I Trader TV on? It's the fucking news, bro.
Sometimes we get a spike in the reversal.
Yeah.
And this what happened yesterday.
Oh my god.
Fuck, I'm down bad.
Yeah, that's bad.
Yeah, initially, remember...
I'm not gonna sell off now. I might as well. Jeez, bro.
Fucking hate news.
Yeah, that was a bit risky.
Oh, I thought we were gonna get that movie before news, bro.
Honestly, like if you would have waited and you would have put a put in, like you're not sitting too pretty right now either. I mean, not probably as much as you would want it to be.
No, yeah, because that was like an initial, like, just volatile move. So, like, you either got out as soon as that thing tanked like that, or now you're just getting eaten up. probably hedge this position. I'll probably buy like a put in the money here. Just to minimize that loss.
Excuse me.
Jesus, yeah.
Out, dude. I'm not trying to hold that. That's some terrible. Oh my god, I hate it. I'm probably done.
I'm just gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold at this point. I'm not gonna hedge it either. I'm either gonna take a big loss or a little win.
Looking at a bigger time frame to see if it's yeah, and I took a nice little loss there. I'm still holding 2 though.
Making a vow, I'm never gonna hold a position through data again. I knew better. I knew better, dude. That was such a bummer.
Oof.
I wish there was a way we could just find what the news was quick. I don't want to put Trader TV on because that shit's probably gonna be all in the ear. Yeah, this doesn't look like it's coming back up. That's rough. Oh, shit. Yeah, this ain't coming back and gone, brother. That was a nasty loss.
Coming up, and we're coming down towards that long-term trend line, though. So that's something to watch for sure.
Yeah.
We might bounce from there, especially after that aggressive sell-off.
That was an ugly fucking loss, man. Whatever. Let's see what else I can catch. Gotta find the news.
That was rough, boys. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna
You
ever.
sell?
Yeah, I got out a while ago.
That's
I'm-
all good, man.
I'm not gonna ever let us take another trade with data coming up. I promise. It's
Oh,
not worth it, dude. It's not. It's happened to me before, and I don't know why I let it happen again. That's just tragic. That's exactly what I'm talking about, dude. You just get blasted with some volatility out of nowhere.
It came in like 27 million under.
That's pretty bad. 27 million?
Yeah, because
No wonder,
Says
dude.
worth 8.8 million. I mean 800, yeah, 8.8. 8.826.
All right, we're coming down towards that trend line right now. I want to see it hold on the hourly, or like,
Sorry, I didn't refresh. Fuck. Fucker. Why is it not why is it not loading up, man? Wait, Josh, are you still holding? I hedged the position. I'm in a position to the downside now.
I mean, I don't have. I had enough for one.
Yeah.
So I'm either going to destroy this account or.
Oh yeah, dude. I hope this put hits.
Hi, Kathy. This is Delaney. How are you?
Like sucks, man.
Doing well, thank you. Sorry about the.
US.
Yeah.
Economy. Cannot find this data, man.
we may get a bounce down here. We're right at that long-term trend line.
Or we might just get the break. Still can't find the data, man. Jeez. Oh, he got it, yeah. Oh, actual. Okay, he posted the actual. Yeah, I couldn't find it.
Dude, how is that so bearish?
Good news is bad news. Bad news is good news right now. As far as the way the market moves. I mean, job openings is literally job openings, and that means more unemployment. I'm guessing. Yeah, I love how news can just say fuck your levels. Fuck everything.
Off the trend line, man. Look at that. Oh, I wish I got calls. Damn.
Is it bouncing back up?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
I mean, I don't think
everything else is.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna shift it, but it did get a bounce.
This would have been a nice scalp up there. That's a hell of a bounce.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Yeah, I'm not phased by this pullback.
Think it continues to bounce.
Not up, and that's just going to continue going up and down.
Yeah,
That's what everything else is.
when you say pullback, I think to the downside. But I think you mean like the bounce, right? Like
A
the
bounce, yeah, that's right. Yeah, bounce.
You say pullback, I'm like, wait, what the fuck? What am I? Isn't that bad for you?
No, I think it's just out. Yeah, I don't think this bounce is going to do much.
Yeah, I don't think so either. I think that's just that trend line is huge, bro. Like that wherever it touches at that level at 423, that's huge. That holds a lot of weight, so that's why I react that way.
Oh, that hurts, bro. I mean, I had a feeling, dude. I'm like, in this economy, man, like, there's no way that there would have been good news coming out right now.
Yeah, but it's just the way the market, like too much good news, like, oh no, we're fine, we're fine, we're fine. That's just not good. That's why good news was always bearish. Bad news just shows that, there's some correction going on. But I mean, today had nothing to do with levels or trend lines or anything. Had nothing to do with anything but the news.
All emotion.
It was just all news though. I want to see the guy in your chat. I want to see him live trade. Mr. Roos Zeus. Let me see. Pull up them charts, brother. Let me see what you got going on, man. Josh, you didn't get out yet.
No point.
How much could you have saved though from that trade?
If I wouldn't have made the trade,
No. I'm saying like how much could you have saved from that like trade itself if you got out a little bit sooner?
probably $80.
Shit, bro, with $80, you could have made something happen for sure.
Break on that trend line, so I'm expecting moves to the downside now. Just look for good entries.
Yeah, I'm still in the puts.
Those are on makeup for that call loss, huh? If they haven't already.
Oh yeah. No, they haven't. But yeah, no, that loss was huge, bro. I'm about like a little over a quarter of that. Like making that back. I feel like we hit. We're gonna have 419. That'll make up for everything. I don't know if we get there, but it's kind of what I'm looking at next. If it wasn't for news coming out, I promise you we hit that 427.
Looking good. That's on me though. I should have known. I even said it before, like, oh, I don't want to trade when data's coming out, and I did it. Just bad move. Yeah, but at that point, it's kind of gambling, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Like you said, it doesn't care about your levels.
Yeah.
I mean, what if then would have came out and it would have just spiked up to 430?
I mean, it could have.
We wouldn't even be talking the way that we are right now. We're like, yeah, we called it.
I mean, the best choice was not to take a trade during news, right?
Yeah.
But like, fuck it, you know what I'm saying? Like, we'll get it back. It ain't nothing, bro. It's unnecessary loss, but we get it back.
I won't for a while, but
You'll get it back, trust me, man. Like that guy in your chat, he wasn't even talking about like he was playing like the rejection and stuff, so his levels were to the downside. But it wasn't really about the new. It wasn't really about the news, you know.
Yeah, I mean the news is what moves shit for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Like, yeah, it could have gone to the upside. Man, we were just blowing through these levels.
Fucking job openings, bro. Can you believe that shit?
I should have known, man. I should have known. I'm still bummed. That's so avoidable.
You didn't get it in your books?
No. I didn't. I should have. I could have. I mean, I just looked at when we retested yesterday's low on the previous 5-minute candle, and it just bounced off a zone that I had. If I took that zone to zone, I would have made my money back
Hi.
easy.
Yes, how are you?
Yeah. Yeah, if this gets any lower than 422, bro, I'll be alright. My loss wasn't that bad.
oh snap, dude, we're about to break that long-term trend line.
Yeah, it's like right at it. For me, at least it's already like a little underneath on the 2-minute.
All my charts.
Okay.
I don't want to sell because I feel like it can't. I don't know, dude. There's something tells me that it's not gonna get that much worse from here. I mean, we already dropped $4 like that.
Yeah, that was news, but now the market's gonna make the move. You know what I'm saying? So it definitely can. That strictly came from news. It didn't come from like anything other than that. So it definitely can keep going.
Right here.
Trim here a little bit, take a little profit. Just in case it does, relief just bounce. Because I mean, if the news came, if the market reacted bad to the news, that's just where the momentum kind of shifts. Even if it does get a nice bounce. Oh shit. Market going down is a good thing for a lot of people, though. And you have a long-term portfolio, right, Ryan?
Yeah,
That's
for
where it would
sure.
tell you.
Sorry,
What
my
the
girl's
pricing
on a
would
call.
be.
I might be
No,
on
it's
mute.
So
Yeah, this is just averaging down for me. Shit. I want this to come back down way more. I mean, not right now, Josh. Not right now. Like later, when you get out that position. I know you're on mute, Ryan. But this is where that next day expiration would have been good for you. Kind of buffer that loss a little bit.
We form a little bear flag though.
Yeah.
Which means bullish.
Bear is bearish. Bear flag.
Oh, bear flag. Okay.
Yeah.
Yay.
You're stupid. But no, this could also turn into a double bottom, Josh. Double bottom is bullish. The neckline is 423, okay? Eat like 13. You can just count that as even. Two lows would be 422.66. It's bouncing off the lows, so if it gets above 423, it might just be a little double bottom for you.
I hope, dude. Market got me wanting to listen to Taking Back Sunday right now.
Dude. Don't let that news get to you, man. Looks like it's bouncing here, Josh. It's a double bottom on the 2 minutes, so if it clears above 423 and bounces up from there, don't expect it to run like too high up. But it'll make a nice little move to the upside.
Fibonacci time.
Yeah, pull them out, man. Yup. Get your little retracement. Mm, 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 mm.
Ray, how's your girl Tesla doing?
Oh, I ignore that bitch until Friday. She's my Friday girl. Should I check on her though? What do you think, man?
You only call her on the weekends?
Yo, when I'm feeling frisky on Fridays,
Stupid.
give her a call.
Oh, come on. Don't do me like that.
Bro, that
I
shit
mean,
did
that was
all
a.
of us like that.
Man. Oh, that looked like a strong bullish candle too. I mean, that just got shoved all the way down. It's like, no thanks.
Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. I see, I see.
Yo, JT got a win off this? Good on him, dude.
Yeah, I guess he said he waited for the news.
What a novel idea.
Oh shit, dude. My nose allergies bugging.
Whatever, dude. I'm just gonna hold this and wait. I mean, this isn't. Good thing is that this what I'm trading the cash account I'm trading on is not like the official account I'll be using. This is like it's a cash account, but it's like a test one with a really small amount. So
Yeah, it's good. At least you're getting that feel for it, you know?
yeah,
That's
lesson of the day: don't trade when before news comes out when you know news is coming out. Yeah, lesson of the day for me, Josh. Idiot.
stupid though, man. Like news like that shouldn't move the market so crazy. Or I don't think like it's like a $4 move type of news. But hey, man, the market's gonna take it the way they want to take it. It's kind of hanging around that trend line, huh? Just to make sense. Wild. I'm fucking starving, bro. Jesus.
Have some coffee to where you don't eat.
Yeah, man, I can't even drink coffee like that anymore. Sadly. It fucks me up. Love coffee, but just fucks me up. See, I would have taken this Apple trade not because of news, but because of the zone it's at. And I would have fucking just cashed the fuck out so fast.
I wonder if we're going to start seeing a turnaround on SPY here because these low volume, these like long upper wicks just keep getting pushed down. So I would beg to assume that we might start seeing a turnaround here.
Well, that means that there's selling pressure. The wicks above is selling pressure. And not enough buying pressure. I think we'll just kind of hang around here for a while. This is a big, like, it's like a make or break for SPY. Just because it broke that weekly, you know what I mean? That's gonna, yeah, it's gonna be rough. But a bounce is not like far fetched.
I mean, actually,
I feel like it does want to bounce. Did you throw up your fibs or no?
yeah, it's still not a strong pullback. So it actually broke that year to date trend line because we were like that year to date trend line was trending up.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be right back.
All right. Is it any wonder?
Pretty bearish, especially if we get below this like little current low of the day. I mean, I think now that we're below that weekly trend line,
Yeah,
I see no reason for any sort of bullish momentum.
if we close today, underneath, yeah, it's about to shift.
Yeah. We had a little breakout on that bear flag, but we're kind of just holding right in this zone.
Yeah, it's a big time to be alive right now. A lot going on there.
I have a small put position that I took on the break of that bear flag, but I'm kind of just sitting right at break even right now. But if we push down, it's on a rip.
Yeah, you just gotta wait for that next like big volume.
Yeah.
You'll see, bro. It's kind of like a relief right now. Like, holy shit, we just moved. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then also, if you look at, you know how you had that kind of like that trend line from the last 2 days, 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that in a channel sense, kind of at the bottom of the channel. It's breaking through, but it's at the
Yeah.
bottom of the channel.
I think we continue lower for here.
Don't let the news stress you, bro. You didn't do nothing wrong today.
No. Yeah. I just knew better than to trade at that moment, which is why I was frustrated. I mean, like everything else was solid. I'm not mad about that. I was just upset that took a trade when I knew I shouldn't be. Regardless of how well the setup was, when there's like a job openings or something like that, it's just better to stay away until afterwards.
Bro, I've traded like 15, 20 of those, bro, and it's never moved like that. It'll move like maybe like one or two, you know, like that quick spike there.
Yeah.
And they kind of recover from it, you know what I'm saying? Like, bro, I've been in the market long enough where like trading like actively, it doesn't move like that, man. But it's just because of where we are right now, like it
In the
was
economy.
like a crisis move.
Yeah.
You know, it was like a crisis move, man. That's what
Yeah.
it felt like. But I mean, we were aware of that, so I mean that is wrong. But bro, we're gonna watch. We're gonna kill this for the rest of the week, bro. Holy shit! Now that we have like, you know, again, if we close today underneath, bro, we already know where this shit is going. We know how this is gonna play. I mean, at least I do. I'm pretty sure you do as well. But
yeah, break of that trend line is pretty significant in terms of like longer term frame.
it can't even get back over. It can't even get back in. But again, that weekly break though, because it was a weekly break, it's gonna be I feel like it's gonna be a slow move to the downside. So I'll probably, now that if they close underneath there today, I'll probably buy like
Some like far out expiration.
yeah, you know what I'm saying, just long term. Probably sell some positions here and there on the long term account. Because those premiums, bro, oh my goodness. Because I collect premiums.
Yeah.
Yeah, like just selling
You
calls. and
sell
shit.
like covered calls.
Yeah. And then like put credit spreads and stuff like that.
Nice.
Yeah, and those I just I'll collect those like weekly. Triangle indicator and polarity divergence give me reversal for that sell off. Nice. Fully's trying some new stuff out. That's cool. Like a new indicator.
Is that
also.
Discord? Oh, I haven't been paying attention at all. Trying out a new indicator, polarity divergence. Huh.
Who's Bert? Mark.
They were in the chat a while ago. I think they joined when we had just like a DM instead of like an actual channel.
Oh, got you.
I'm pretty sure that's who that is. Oh, it's JT. Never mind. My bad, JT.
See, Fully's asking who the Fully Bookie is, bro. It's just like a bot or something, maybe.
I don't know, man. It's weird. It has the same profile picture and everything.
Do you trade options on your long term, or no?
I've sold, yeah, sometimes I'll sell like some covered calls or something, but
Yeah.
I don't trade too much in there now. It's mostly just buy and hold shit.
If that news is coming out like an hour later, I swear, bro, we would have hit 427 and got out. That would've been, it was bear flagging too, man. I mean bull flagging, sorry. Let's go, man. Keep going.
And new low. Got that 422 right there, though. I don't have that as a level, but I'm always wary of the whole numbers.
I got 5 420 puts from earlier that are up decently.
You got in some 420s, some deep ones, huh? Yeah, I got 2 contracts earlier. Up on at 420.
I got these at the retest of the that bounce.
Oh man. Yeah.
I got them there, yeah.
Oh, so they're probably what, like doubled in value at least, huh?
Oh fuck yeah, 200%.
Yeah, I was gonna say if you got them back then, that's crazy.
Like halfway, like recovered from that loss. Which is cool, man.
Yeah, I'm looking to scoop back a little bit of that on this move here.
Yeah, man, that's always good too, you know.
Even if I don't recover the full thing, if I can get like half of it back or something, that's not bad.
Yeah. Just wait, bro, man. Watch this shit. Is there any news this week? Any other news?
Dude, of course there probably is. It feels like there's news every day. Let me look.
Yeah, but all that shit is just noise though. Some of that shit's not even market moving.
No, it's true. It's true. We already had the job openings. Hold up.
Yeah.
Oh, my shit just refreshed.
Nah, bro, don't worry. But if you're in a trade, right? Never mind, bro. Don't even look.
No, we're good. We're good. Tomorrow we have ADP employment before the market, S&P final U.S. services PMI before the market. I guess like right after market opens. We have factory orders, ISM services. We got Bowman speaking at a banking conference. Yeah, we got a bunch of shit coming out tomorrow.
Yeah, that one I do want to listen into.
And then Thursday we have like initial jobless claims. We have more people talking.
Any banking info, any banking information, bro, is like a tell sign, really.
Yeah.
I love listening when they talk. Like when the banks start talking, man, the market moves.
So the report is out. We are screwed. We're all broke. We invested all our money in bonds, and now we're underwater. $5 trillion.
Yeah, bro. Honestly, how are bonds doing?
Oh, dude. Oh, no, man. I know that shit's getting ripped, though. Like, yields, the 10-year yield just keeps, like, hitting new highs. They're like, this is a level never seen since, like, 2007. I'm like, that's not good. when we start hitting a lot of comparisons to 2007, 2008, that's a bad look.
Yeah, that's scary. I'm seeing comparisons to 1980s. I'm seeing comparisons to crazy times in the market, man. That's kind of scary.
Yeah.
I honestly, man, I don't. The bull run we had this year until like early last year, I don't. Dude, I don't know. I don't know what the fuck that was. Like, if you look at it, man, like we were still kind of in deep water with shit.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why that. Yeah, that was,
Even like the past 2 months, like the inflation report has gone up the past 2 months. It's like inflation's still going up. They're not gonna, you know what I mean? It's like I don't know why we have a reason to be bullish. Then job openings come out good and we tank.
finally, the market's finally reflecting that, though. Finally.
Yeah. It's certainly an interesting time to be alive and to be trading this shit.
I swear, dude, I swear, like I did not start trading until like the difficult times in the market. So annoying, bro. I started at the worst times possible. Fuck it, man. Anyone started in like this year or whatever, like I'm sorry you have to go through this shit.
Yeah, this is like my first year really trading, and it's been a fucking roller coaster, dude. Especially with all the news, like it just, I don't know. The news like this year has really swayed the markets. Because I feel like if everything's pretty like kosher, then it's like not too crazy. But lately it's been like every single thing that comes out, everybody's like watching like a hawk, dude, just waiting to see if we're gonna crash or what.
Oh yeah, salivating and all, bro, just waiting.
If we could just hit a quick little dipperooski down to 420, let my contracts
Right,
triple
yeah,
in
that's all,
price,
man. Yeah,
I wouldn't be mad.
Yeah.
Then we can do whatever we want, you know. We can bounce, we can
Yeah,
go to
so-
500.
Fuck it.
New all-time highs, I don't care. Just give me my money.
There you go. Look, there we go. Keep going. I think it's just gonna be a slow move, Ryan, like to that level and so on and so forth. So
I took one contract off. I'm just holding one now.
yeah,
I made like 50% already on that one contract.
good.
I just didn't put in much money. I only put in like $80, but if we get this moved down to where my level is, I should be chilling. Or, I mean, that loss won't look too bad. Damn, though. What a rough one, though.
Honestly, it didn't even fucking phase me, bro. Truthfully, like
It only got me because I knew better, and I was talking about it this morning. Like, oh, we have news. I'm not going to let Josh get in when we have news. You know what I mean? That's why it bothers me, because I knew, dude. I was talking about it.
Oh, you did say that, yeah.
I knew it, dude. I knew it, and I knew better. And that's the only reason I'm upset. It's not even the loss. It's just, like, the fact that I did it when I knew better. It's just those, like, avoidable mistakes.
Honestly, the news could have went either way. That's why I'm not stressing it.
For
I could have
sure.
cashed the fuck out and made somebody's entirely monthly salary, you know, in one trade, or you know what I mean, or I'm just, you know, I took the loss, like.
No. I feel you. It's just, I don't know. When it's like situations like that where you don't know, you know, where you don't know which direction it's going to go, and I try to not like risk on that situation.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. Obviously, you know, like keeping the money would have been nice, right? But I feel like I've been doing pretty well, so.
See, I haven't, bro. I'm coming off a rough week.
Guy-like thing to do for me.
No. You're chilling. I'm just playing,
Such a dude's dude, huh? Just fucking insensitive as hell.
No. I mean, it's to each their own. I'm happy that you're handling it well, and I'm happy you hedged with those puts. Like, you played it well.
If you want me to cry and scream, I swear I will. Like,
bro, can you tell me I'm special? They'll be okay. I'm just playing. No, we're good. I just
This was huge though, bro. Honestly, I'm glad that I'm no, you know what? If you look at it in another sense, news, you know, the fact that the market reacted that way, it's good. Now we have a clear direction, man. It
For
broke
sure.
an insanely high, you know what I'm saying, insanely valuable trend, you know, like the trend is changing now.
Yeah.
So hopefully today we close, you know, underneath, man, and now we can just play the rejections all fucking week.
JT says you're spitting. He said Ray's spitting.
Like that or like,
I think like facts.
oh,
Like copy print facts.
mm,
That office work. I need to get to work. I would love for this. Holy shit, it's almost 9. Alright. I might hop off. I am gonna hop off, fellas. This is the end of the road for me. I gotta get to work. I can't lose on data and my job, you know.
hell no, bro. You got all your positions, though, right?
I have one contract. I'm probably about to close it.
Yeah.
Especially because it looks like, especially on the 5-minute, it looks like we might get a little relief bounce right here. Yeah.
It's like lower. Yeah. It's like a, yeah.
All right. I got a little bit of it back, but goddamn.
Yeah.
It was much worse. We got a little bit back. Happy about that at least. But yeah, my man, I hope you keep printing. We'll be back tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
As soon as I sell, it starts coming down again, of course.
That's all right. Go ahead, get off.
Yeah, dude, I might get off and we're at 420, dude.
I get my money, man. Get
A little
out
bit of a
here.
bear flag though. If you're watching on like
Get
the,
out, Ryan. It's waiting for you, man. Go, go, go.
yeah, if I stick around, it will reverse. All right, peace, brother. Good luck.
All right.
Good luck to everybody.